yeah, Chacha Munina. And Chatronko from Osei Chrome. And the mobile tuning in 95.1 FM. Many flow to the Kingston. Yeah, Chacha. Yeah, Chacha. Yeah. Many some show, many. You more about strong corn.
Mamma has some job. Industry. I have some girls best 4 million path. Some you 1, 2, 3, 4 pen. Okay.
Pressure.
Yeah, reality. Some you me 4%. The whole industry.
Yeah, Michelle, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Miss me feel the support you've been giving me. Oh, yeah, Michelle.
Reality. Unum said the first time I saw you was on TikTok. That's way before you blew up there. I'm Michelle contempt. No, I know the all delay voice, but all different faces. But that's how I kept watching. Anytime I watch a content via, it was funny all the time. I'm like, how I don't know about me, you know. And one thing I'm feeling is you are yourself. And so say my baby, I saw you cheating on home. So I don't when you makeup, opa, just the opposite. You know, so I just loved you from there. I'm like,
thank you so much.
Yeah, and then the mom started service. My mom full support.
Yeah, Michelle, the support has been massive. Like back to back. You see, hey, Chairman. Oh, yeah, Michelle.
I remember when we started radio, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mekai. Now in Ghana.
Yeah, but that be a show. You
Miss School, no.
Yes.
But then we Adwuma,
yeah,
of course.
Yeah. That feel now when you're radio, no. Now when you're starting.
There be them Kumasi still.
Exactly.
No Kumasi still.
Yeah, and.
You
I'm
came
happy.
all the way to look for me.
Yeah,
Not dear Krasa.
Yeah.
So tall.
Yeah.
That was the first time I share.
Yeah. I'm happy how far you've come.
Thank you so much. It couldn't have happened. Someone support here.
Yeah.
For the new love you've shown me since from the start.
Yeah, you deserve it because it's natural. I won't say you are not forcing, you are not trying to be anything. You are just yourself. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much. It's a privilege to have you on my show.
Thank you.
It's a privilege.
My pleasure.
Hey. Back to back.
Hey. Joe said you beat net, you know. Practice bell mono rappers, seno.
Go, tingo.
Hey, this is Stone now, Bano, Rapapano, Cadiobe Candijai,
Consano,
or Medamo,
Naso Faho,
Yabonum Pano, Namu Pano, Kukurukano, Netu, Hanum, Netu, Sano, Secum Chano, Dofo, Medamo, Nameto,
Yasano,
down and thing, Takaton Pano, just said the here paning Pano, one mouse cano, who tin the passo and no hammer, teacher, but net magia ward, continue. Turn a gym war and left me bushels were abroad. My fun is in the fear, 50 bumpata, Kosi Paka, South Africa to America, Papa me rapua, baby, I cool, Flowking Stone, Yankasa, a beeper by force and topa. I sem kese cry, Yamboda, Sarapuna,
Maboche Sunday, we are
Flowking,
ba go to sa yeah brother keka ya branca ya hey namu jinse kintan ka ho obia wa na wakasa no o fa cheche
okay tetelelelelele Abana India fe anybody so pena ma ye mere na wa ya ma mitiri ma ge de and then the obeya ma na ge fe e honam na so chi sepe chepe for the kuto sa fa ho na essence so cool mama me do dada se mi jai ma okwa
mara
kutu mama usu waba ene ya mebo siketu papa baby girl killing it
se me bo bunu mu hene me
the mbeke piano
pene
manani go baby you be spending it hey miss one come near sipentin and matchman no tintin se bom bands some be saying be a ho fan ko achi kojo baby a me ko mon sayings me am pass at ya show dom jimi mu biem chia for spray things ti me hu ti yi me yiboni ana makama no watu me yemi ni aton chen hey Odo, they see the pain, they do rough road and think ain't saying, hey, we see the pain, kind of plain, mama dang grey, one, you trim, ting, hey. But told me that when you waste the mouth, cash at the dean, I'm a patch, but I'm from Jane, hey. But you meet your man, because oh, brass, no one, I was your brother side, hey, me, dadaba, and the dadana, and your boy, dadana, one am dadama, see, you come, mama, and your dadama, but you be kind of nakana and the gana mare, the mooti, who want to show up Alahara, from a kuma to a jana now, guara, me do, I'm ala said, malam don sala, me de medala, nemakoma, bet you the color, hey, so we will be free, Miss you move befia, no one on the summer, and no so, Mrs. Stone is and young before one night, Brutus. No, now, car say, what do me a fade, a macumen, pay, West Semedy, Jabo, Bodome, Sanky, come see Chris, JJ, me, what done in the hotin, tinty, got to be team, the tete, me, number how, number down, number tata, she. And maybe it's a cocaine or prodio the be a cho free. Or who's a so do man about on the prize, mama, who a papa pee. What do I get the donkey, humpty, tata peas. Mua, quack, did a dwa pow, yet me stone. A friend of Papa Panaba, Tina Madogi Dada, the ya kama Anna Kana Baba, when the woman Nikuno, when the Huti Bubono, Numbo Bono, so no matter than I don't do, hey, don't do.
Say rap. Cause a rap.
Again, when I had it from the friend.
And the rap won't come or rap.
Be close.
The rap himself. You know what to say? Yay. Be a boko. But who's a book says a questions? We have my uncle's house. There I say. Oba na wasa kwese mu abrochi kakra. Na so ye djuma abrochi na bebonyo mo Ghana. Sanity.
No, so me baby ya djuma baby ya. Me djuma Ghana ye djuma abrochi.
Djuma abrochi. Ti flow. O se wo ye celebrity a.
Yeah.
Na se unhu niema ni so a. Fa fame no to nchen no kwa abrochi ko boy djuma.
Yeah.
It I think from some now no onye nyum ni bi.
Yeah.
Because so nyum no everyone watching that chibi
but yo
since it's first no
difference near promo no
okay
yeah say nyum it's any new song why it's not so different from the old one the same quality same rap BBI pepe the only difference let's say or releasing on internet so we are Ghana for expect say what's up ba omuhu no so ni no buy interview so akwa ansana ye hu se na ni abre ansana ma support no yeah
into mo hu so ni abre dey
so
support
it's not like you're not doing music no he's doing it but the way the system or the structure has been no enti say you hu se o movie you find say funny serious yeah
so you in part time
exactly but he's doing it
but promotional encore hard.
Yes, promotional are different.
I believe say Onua na eto nyom no. Inti so be call round so call round if the music is good.
Exactly.
I was say it should sell itself.
Exactly.
Because
Sana was saying patentisa.
Sana was say because there are a lot of musicians that they are based in Ghana. Omo ye djuma Ghana, tunyo Ghana. Omo call radio to.
Exactly. But your system no. So on call radio to and so who physically active, that's the word. You who physically there, and also this kaka crash trip because based on sight. So me peer has to see last time I bahano producer be flow waba okay and my morning show no person baso oh where say you the video about hey what is it everywhere baby amekobia obi share oh ni one fabra na me see I'm release it that I post social media yes still they want to see you the moment they see you they do stuff for you oh sir and then next week me show be and never say oh mommy say mommy no manager and kasa that's how it works so when you are away for too long you could drop the biggest banger and nobody cares. It's the system, yeah.
I said the people want to connect with you.
Yes, yeah. I feel like because of the way Ghanaians are here, I say yeah. Ghana for your pay, she your pay. I say ye pencha ye pay like you always Charlie now say it why Charlie be for yes you judge na fa ke Charlie oh ya Onua sa constant it ye who 1-on-1 not Charlie din koso na he said you bro and mind you there are new artists coming every day. There are lots of them and they are very good. You know
their present, their works are present.
It's you who they are massa.
One tonight, so no mama kunya.
They're very tired. So
anything I release you might not person bad down be who crop for no.
Yeah, because you so 3 years you be and you there your different types of songs. And you be and no kasa on the spirit. Onua ko it is say and you better say Golo. All I needed to do was that visualizer video no I made me dance and here you know. And you better say blow my mind. Initially me push here but at some point Onua ko you know like me chacha me drop that video now starts no
be no chacha obi no.
Yeah and from there no akọ and you how hia de ketwe bi oya man we are living a bit call so far but you be ha I just say ji wo first ka ji na na o sister bi asika bo na sha be sala hiti and so it is so ko boss anyu na so din bi dia and easy hu and yes
this so be chechire o
he said about mood tia I say obo the side way sa and there is a village as I believe
also more reason
any reason and there is also more say anyway o say we the power also with this no actually na answer na the answer share easy
yes agent say enko
and easy tia nyum bia on the spirit and you take it so long e be the bear and you wait to be 1 year na hit
e wo ma
and then in the musa and you be so we record we are umbu no enti person be release bu wan say guy man be aliki Felicia oh wow be pie show bi ase no
yeah bo
ubo ye nyum bia o mo so mo pesa nyum na about aha and so Sako de ka story which share me. After baby the thing you do sound horn baby. After no releasing you be an emfa or releasing you back to back. Eti or say koye you go kill me you try. Omo recording you the way you know. On fan you nya hwe until yinani no forgetting you. To mo make see omo nya hwe. O so ni obi o hana. You ba call phone friend na twen
obi there ringtone
and you want to do well say hey let's share you I hit hey minim that and you on release you mix here night
raw na
simple hit and na you release simple hit say the Kimpaluta makoma hit and sana release no I won't say na makoma city no spirit and you be on known or buy onim baby obefa ba ko ba so Ella Felicia, you can't tell who.
Oh, do who they be hitting in the end?
You can't tell who musician no. Who say we and we when I easy when on a song I just tell sort of release. And sometimes so and you be wa be or say what push ya ti ujai. Ti be or say oh yeah. Oh. Ebia ka pushi kiti ka on me time me pa mo be bre bisa 3 years later na 4 years later I'm say sa onyu bi na ni akobo boy na get it you say and a banker my push is no the real
no sometimes you get tired of pushing the song
yes
as when you say a chenya mfa
no kwa no chechim sa for my time I'm on nyumba ko pe o man be about 6 months no baby ko chechim
and go also release
you now mo pe also jade kwan now the fufuro ba na hwe say no mo pa enu tina me hear me new album no the decision album no because na my brady decision it me to my fans no
dem mo pe no
because I'm decide 14 songs mo jam dem mo pe na you dey be As simple as that. Yeah.
Say, who put your energy when you be moving at hit ya? Who feel say?
Who feel drained because I energy in kwa skaka. It is say maybe make you move every day. Metaphor at least 200 or 300 a day. And many crew and a bedidi a base until on a daily basis no. You koba and one or two be able who natural so to turn in a day in 1,000 to every day be able to move 1,000 for one song. It's because 1,000 in the area and Zana sorting for no mine. Now me don't yes I have for 3 months. Now I'm fat. So I have you. It's the time I'll be now and no I hit like a phone pen on a scanner. So float on penny promote to what but they say me Felicia Osei.
Why you do baby?
Why you half a moody? Nyami, it to train a small girl be follow TikTok. Not the 1 or 2 never there, they just say.
And one
said there one no easy. Editing a TikTok on TikTok for almost so much more. Moo yo.
I don't be watching what they.
Oh, damn, charge to do.
Then will be charging walk as oh, then corner bay. What amount will be boy? I say, then I bay.
And there can be a so cry and charge my to be salad. With a casa with the father to a joke. Dang.
When the day no go ma.
Dang.
San you be na promoting.
Aye. I say no say na a nice song.
The nice
a
song.
hit song. But na akakakra. I say a peke na eko. Ntika 1 or 2 bi so ma. So mu da.
Aso o kasa bread do.
So da. When say yes after say yes it's say
there was a beautiful song.
Exactly. So
title is na DJ Mboma Muntie.
A Dempo.
Ah, me Dempo. Den
me who ne Dempo no. Oh me album.
And na o the kind decision album.
Yeah, sharp.
And number saying.
Oh Dempo ni ha. Okay.
Dempo.
No, how the obeboni later. Aha.
What the kind 14 songs.
Back to back.
And you be na also.
Many Kimpaluta then on God and they say they are for baby
come
on God and I many mufti ne bello God tomorrow and also say Kofu favorite pa and a Madonna many kunta kintine he and the obo hano close they now say girl na bring me go yeah my name is Mr. Drew and I opana many shatawali and omubeka many akwabwa and honey many Prince Bright
back
back to back and a happy day and like back to back hits the decision album ne day
and I say acknowledging Kofana no mushasi no
yes
way back no
yes
you involve them
exactly would say Prince Bright or me senior
yes
Prince Bright move bem those days so much more Tims or more trap video no Tims subscribe to TV so me kuta sika Tims no me a guy so many 4x4 or me seniors yeah but immediately after 4x4 till we give them respect any day it's acknowledge omo
it will friend Prince Bright no say
yeah till on so the kind message me what Insta so feeling me pa like the way I've been holding yeah even before I've been holding the game that I was so tired I'm like senior me that's it it's your to send me a message that it's obagana na Michiana I'm saying my chewy they me here silky voice and I'm in the cool studio near recorded 2 bangers recording honey no and you recording manya madi day I don't need I don't mean video that one.
And
yeah. He was so happy and also so happy.
Because sometimes on your I say.
Yeah. So not so abuchis US, yeah. So
there's all 2 kind for you now Ghana a difference room.
Difference
room. Promotion and kasana.
Yeah,
Adaje ni ho.
Adaje yes. I mean it depends if you want to make more money. Also the difference let's say UK no and abuche no. adwuma opportunities na dawson. There are too many ways you can work. Ibia Ghana say adwuma na we ya hanka into awka. Oh, emphasis your fan music cry. You wo omo ye omo create what be create enyum who if you just create songs now in Kofodia emphasis bia Felicia Osei your site bi wa me do udin be enyum na ma create na me do udin na shemu oh na ya ma onko na etu ameka ha say bi ni ha just every part of there's some work to do. And I mimi say I mimi biochemistry. Maybe woman my time set na call a lab kakra to the me teaching near there. Me I don't mind. Remember me a teacher. A friend is saying papa accountant me before but me I don't care. Because minimum streams never back anyway. Me both shows back to back weddings near there.
Also side job.
Yeah. Say a woman na
oh yeah border.
To say me go school. You go back me go school me person me twa me medical side ne so as in biomedical science side no person me twa so na me dane bibi fefe ti me call ya me go school me come back
na teaching no so
well I know them in a very short time for a short time sending na would the ready system no yeah I did it for a short time but I'm going more into the science
but that's medical side. As musicians more Ghana more you full-time musicians more to kind there and deciding
so I make say the system no your one and a two adwuma opportunities there were no is
and Ghana for people na
well it depends so some one am here at some point na adwuma ya me UK a lab near dey so na me Ghana na me here na mo MDS Lancet na mo lab na me wo hospital diagnostics na my adwuma order hospitals be na me adwuma ho baba na ma shalap coat ni ade me twu moja ni ade e be hwem ni ade yeah omo bomb bra say me mu anim kakra say am twin brother no go food taka me de mama am say obi a oba bi aka the same thing me twin brother no ha me pa na me no we
oh ni upset
oh eventually obi o your fan pa obecho but me I just love it I mean yeah
wow into abricha we side music no
yeah,
but Ghana there full-time musician
well like I was saying in Ghana cry na me I was yes I was still working corporate and I said working at the lab near the any hospitals near there I was doing it even in Ghana just at some point na jumana I too much
okay
as in the music as I mean music the chair bibia so music I never stop and it just me free time I can do my other yeah but say emuya me promo pressure back to back mean to me juma fufobia and as if I'm recording album I will just go all out yeah by more na emu be down say o season bi o ha yeah how I dream with too many shows and I say
baby e din
exactly so
say December mu honom na
exactly
na show say
to that time there yeah I work
be je bibia na koye
I work yes say epokra so to gum
eto pa
and then nam dodo on say nkwan
enye ne hwe
sa
enye ne hwe school dey do two kwan
do my family ho my wife na me ma ho yeah so yeah basically that's why I went to live there for a long time and then I'm tana ho che but going to them started 2 year che and it's can't get to see anyum Korea or Philly.
And they do two kind.
Philly and yeah.
First visit to Abrichi, how did you feel?
Oh my God. There I'm like, wow. No, Holland I'm call first. But I am more than but it's 14 years ago or something like that. We drew on. I mean who say unam baby bako Felicia. At the same time, car cars never any in effect. And a train and I'm a bit train and I'm overhead so. And a tram. As on I'm queen, might say train, but I know it's me nam queen. Not tram and I'm queen. and a plane nam soro at the same time. It was beautiful. That was, I think, Amsterdam. I'm like, whoa.
Could you now baby?
Me say, Felicia, a choir ya dada. Omo kwan ya ye me baby mfutro. Omo pa kra hu mfutros. A choir ya dada no. Obe kwa ba the following day no. No ma say to two omo ye beams. Hey, someone kwa say you. Na we didn't hear adem me bus ubu say mo say. Amo kwan no mo the expiry date to so. A kwan na expire. Yes.
Tamadi ni bi.
Okay, o ma e bi o te ba.
I expire.
Si e kwan no ma bibi ada ho. Omo za expire omo ye. Omo tutu kwan say ye bi. Over 3 days time na nice. Ade.
No traffic.
Oh, we're ready. Abuche de abrofu de omani ate.
So be anya konya onko hwa de mra.
Oh, abema ade woman wo. Mo wa say Ghana leaders. Dodo na esculi wa abuche ni ate. They had good ideas. But omo ba besiswa. Na minim sa adwene na sesan wo. Sometimes you can't blame them too much because Felicia ayen hwa de bi. So be DMP on. Ni krom phone nyina omo yes omo ta na chi physically. Obi aye also oko. Obon san 500 crore omo say ayi wanya de. To babo obi ansa 1000 every weekend do Felicia. Obi ye na adoring crore befro. Wa ma odwaw. Obi ya.
Wa man nessa babelusu.
Sa na ono ni pay no in a month or jisen.
No fa ni nyina bon sa.
Aha nti se also nyeska de carbon science and stand to okofa no way.
E kwan ni sika no.
Etie nyina e circle.
No abo pa balu, ono abo di champagne wo wedding ase.
Vampire ondi bi.
Debi obere, ono abo ware.
And ono akasa ni chrome for na busuafo. So odi no ambisi.
Because what ye?
Odi no ambisi big mansion bi wo omo ho. Ana se ama.
Fa na wo fa se ni bi entutu kwan ya.
Thank you. Anye ni chrome kwan no ho na. Omo beka se ugu DMP.
Oya bro.
Ebi di watem. Ezo bi asika no kra ya fa ama no. Nti okofesika no wen. Nti obepe kwan bi afa. E dia ye ti kwan ben o afa chire. It's a cycle. E na ye punish ya sa back to back. Broni nyesa. Eti broni utu ya tax. So say bibia etu ya tax. O pake o ka. Wa pake o ka o fie enim. Wangaza o fie enim o pake ka o tu ya tax. O fie enim. Obetua bibia o fa we mistake o ko Ghana esi Ghana ni poor fans pie one way o ko fa one way obi as one way obi one way abocho twa one way na obi akayo obi ayedin o be fi na eyi o letter down fine obetua ni lit no va obi but the difference is scan omoji no hu so mo de ye adwuma. Oh, I dear no. It do chat tax na nyawo ya.
Enyawo ya.
I'm say I rap politics.
Enyawo ya. Recently we are 20 years in the music industry.
Yep.
20 solid years.
Yep.
What is 20 years is free film the worker sa.
Congratulations. What mama nyoluma wa. She. Ya choma mama nyoluma wa say. Bitifu wa de sa.
Get to it
was what just say.
Oh, you deserve it. You deserve it. Why you do my dream? Recognize
20 years ago now, what do you say?
Na me yakra, na me che say nka bi. Na me ntumi kra ma, nkra me ntumi ma.
Etim na ma ha nyina village mi ya na ba mi ya na ba. Me ya hoshi.
Ayo be so yi.
Uye be basisi.
And I also can't die.
Depi. Them also my godfather Mr. Ruta, my godfather Snabako.
Na Ruta.
Yeah, on white tie ko white party.
And when she danye when you die na why no natural.
Oh we natural. Me ko all white party. We can my sekela mali no. See ba ye.
But it's over anniversary when yanye. Over your concert, 20 years concert. Didn't know when yanye. Everybody was
ampa.
Na me say my pemata dey me say me easy.
Ampa me show video bi ana. Ayi one gallon ne bon.
Oh.
Hey brothers baba utia also.
Check uti what's so?
Basres what's happening no people so. 80 no say come dey be mama musa.
Oh.
But time na ye hye you know say ye be anniversary no. anytime me free UK be doing na a bang to be sharp organization na they not for the
rush
and I say you 20 years in the game they ain't mean dino exactly and we see a year activities your mom bobo kakra organize boys no bobo you say a lot of things in you hold on say na can be asked to crack am me team no yeah inti amfa and me can say we promote postpone because we want to make it very
big. Mega because 20 years in year easy
exactly inti ebeba samba kra ebeba because next year na me Adwuma and also your brothers 20 years because your boy one gallon no 20 years next year one gallon the mimpo 20 years ago next year so then you be out say no so you will buy you mouth nya what say ni nyina but me how she we are now as say asano my favorite dancer as say asala
Then new project no let's talk about the new project and the album no is it the album 40 songs on the album.
Yeah. A friend the decision. No.
The decision.
And I'm a saying, I fans who say he decided my every.
Mompe.
Into your mind decide my yours. Yes, the decision is yours. When you the decision is yours. Yes. That's why I dropped the decision album no. Now I drop here no. I feel I confuse more. We stop Madonna Minikunta we stop on God Minikin Paluta. We stop close many. And Mr. Drew, we so present I'm say
Obia what you pay.
But at the same time, you know, and you ma bakwana and you bakwana taba top pa. The post na on God, making paluta diano. They decided say be no video first. Now you promote it. Yeah. So that's why we have the video for on God first because it's the voice of the people. And then the partner song first. Another song they love tomorrow no. So tomorrow no tomorrow yeah many mufti ne bello god no okay. Tomorrow Afrobeat no they love it so much until tomorrow videos so you go so shoot it and channel so baba tomorrow video no cry only say then na many why na me no coffee shots didn't come on coffee shots tomorrow you use when I was and say or say Felicia ne sexy journalist.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then me come there mo. Me go try with the ba mu nya so. Right na mo me pie TV so na me namu. Yeah. Na kwa me. Yeah.
Na kwa me na o skate now. Debi o skate now. Ugru no o skate dem ne friends.
Okay.
That didn't miss out Anna Onua.
So many ba ku ni jai akwasi dem
ni jai. Akwasi da me kai.
Me ni jai.
Ti ba ku ya ne ma me ha wara dwe na sen. Oh Kiki.
Kinsili. Okay leju.
Felicia. Eti ya le free na ba. Eti. O de ba o bi sa me but like ala bi ya bi si che no afre.
Mama say me ko. Women ya bimra.
Hey. It's so good.
He said nyumba pa na say because some might say you're confused.
No, so tomorrow one of my favorites on the decision album no. Tomorrow
no.
I know na you try videos to see auntie.
Nti tomorrow no. Let's listen to tomorrow.
Onua 95.1 FM.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's
love
nice.
It,
Oh yes.
Felicia,
yes.
Officially. Anyway.
Yeah.
Ne hit no. Me da show nsa. Because anyum ne bon the way we are son.
Yeah,
my try. Yeah, me try me who dance some had them still me as TikTok no. And they can kono. And my white there's a reason. Me not say it officially and we be that show nsa. The shadow be ya mu bia to san mu bia.
DJ Kobo, I'm fashion DJ sir.
There be me that show nsa.
Yo.
Okay. Okay, who delegate DJ Ku?
Yes.
But and yet the whole project. The whole project.
So tomorrow no? Yeah. Mate.
Asa.
Thank you. And therefore we have a job to do. We have a song to promote, and it's tomorrow by Flowking Stone and a Mufti. But we need the say Bolingo.
The onyo. Unye say. Shara Bolingo in the squad this year. Who pay or we say? Bello God. It's Mufti, Bello God, and Flowking Stone. Tomorrow we have. When the ball beats no KC. On one ball, me blew my mind. Beats na me feature Kwabwana. Yeah. On one ball, fire burn them. And feature Shatane Sakna. On one ball.
Ball beats baby. We no be Adwuma on Onua because to buy this
yeah.
Or your beats baby.
Me say it. Well, Bob beats be a mommy last week. Felicia, my voice there, see me home beat.
Yeah.
But some record numbers, I'm recording bed 3. Me home beat. Oh, say, and you some explain types of songs.
Yes.
You only be our own record. Crowd say hit. And even not to ban your mama. A Bob beats be a mommy. Oh, hi. The friend of Emfa.
Sir.
Emfa. Did you Robert Canny Emfa? Until now, go I got there.
Emfa.
Emfa.
Yeah.
Emfa.
In the building. Emfa.
I remember later. I mean, I record here. So my voice in the choir. That's what I'm going to record.
No studio. Let's just say Emfa.
To who Felicia will be on, but Emfa.
Na me kwana me ba. Emfa. What did I say?
Sharp.
Your conversation I ended.
Oh, this year.
This year 12 o'clock.
Oh no, that's sad.
Mama, news for no more no be NTN news.
Hey, my member get up sexy journalist party. Sexy journalist back up pay, but I'm getting up crap hammy. I'm beginning up.
Esther, Flowking Stone chow. Maybe I will be ano. Shout out.
So shout up to Baron. Shout up to Flowking Stone. Shout up to
Obia. Shut up. But your final words.
The album is out. The friend, the decision album.
The decision.
And you want to say, "Yana Montia, yeah, young going to meet you. Me when you be brave or that. Me will be here. They me release your dos. So Montia we na from my sign say, Kejeti abiti. Say no more near a chinamu mubidi. Yeah, and we low key. My dear, a chevesa can share be see or Tibundi this year.
Share Moyanetem.
Sanity. 18. The album is out. On God video no so out or YouTube to see a banger straight. On God they are taking a fa baby I'm ready on mobile. So big up to all the DJs, big up to all the radio stations, TVs for supporting me. Felicia, 20 years in the game.
It's not
and yet easy. Artists be brave no my ba. I'm a who me time. I'm a hit here, I must have fallen. We are falling now for Fraba, no hit here, I know falling. Me who
the rise and fall of artists.
Me who a be warm, a be addicts, a be I say, it's I said I'm the man coupon. And my fans, I am Muntina, a sujna and asu. Me that's it. Felicia also me that was.
Michelle for granting us this opportunity to have you on the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,